So I'm your conference host, Chris Bliss, and we're your attendees. How many Pink Elephants have you been to?
This is my first.
It is your first.
Yes.
So how are you finding it so far?
That's pretty cool. It's really interesting. It's nice just to kind of see other people that are dealing with the same issues that I'm dealing with.
Do you know all the acronyms?
No, absolutely not.
What do you think is the most important for your future productivity? It's a multiple choice question. AI.
Good. I'm glad.
Okay, it's AI,
Okay.
AR, VR, or Magnum PI.
I only know what two of those are.
Okay, good.
So
I hope one of them's not Magnum PI.
No, I know Magnum PI. Yeah. The short shorts and the mustache. It's fantastic.
Okay. Tell me your name one more time.
Sure, it's Albert Telesford from Trinidad and Tobago.
How many Pink Elephants have you been to?
This should be the fourth one.
The fourth one.
Yes.
And have you learned anything at all yet, or do you just keep coming back in the hopes?
Actually, I try to come every 2 years because it takes about 2 years for me to get some of the stuff that I've learned at each one of them fully implemented into the company.
What do you think about the use of artificial intelligence to ferret out fake news?
To ferret,
Because that's what Facebook's going to do. They're going to use AI for fake news. It seems you're using something artificial to find something fake. Comment?
no comment.
Mike Chris Bliss, and you just come out of David Ratcliffe's breakout session. And just wondering, first, tell us your name.
My name is Megan.
And what company do you represent?
eCentire. We're a network security company.
And how many Pink Elephants have you attended?
This is my first one.
So how did you find David's session today?
Oh, I thought it was wonderful. He's a great, captivating speaker. He obviously has a lot of experience.
And the other sessions you've attended so far?
They've all been really great, really informative.
Okay. And which do you find, do you think, just off the top of your head, is going to be more important for you moving forward with your own productivity objectives? Would it be AR, VR, AI, or Magnum PI?
I like how you threw a curveball in there to see if I knew what you were talking about. Probably for us, AI. So being able to work smarter, using technology as a foundation to enable decision making.
Wow, you have got the lingo down. Who are you?
My name's Peter.
Peter, and what company do you work with?
Scotiabank.
Scotiabank. And how many Pink Elephant conferences have you attended so far?
Oh, probably about 5 or 6.
So you know what all the acronyms stand for?
Kinda, maybe.
Okay. ITSM? Do you know ITSM?
Yeah,
Okay.
IT Service Management.
Okay, good enough.
Yeah.
Okay, which is more important for the future?
Yeah.
AI, VR, AR, or Magnum PI?
Magnum PI, definitely.
Well, Tom Selleck, actually, a lot of people don't know this. He was the first robot star.
He was the first robot star.
Yeah, the guy's totally artificial. There's no real Tom Selleck. And you are?
Kofi.
Kofi from?
Eugene, Oregon.
And who do you work for in Eugene?
I work for the city and IT.
Okay. And how many Pink Elephant conferences have you attended, Kofi?
This is my first time.
This is your first.
Mhm.
All right.
Yep.
So I don't know if the term Pink Elephant Virgin, something sounds wrong with that. So we're not going to use that with you, Kofi.
No, I'm not virgin.
So, well, that's much more information than we needed, but thank you. It's an information technology conference, and you're providing information. How's your experience so far?
My experience has been really good. I'm currently trying to implement release management and DevOps, so the classes that they provided is so good so far. I just like the connection, being able to meet people that you've never seen before. You've kind of seen them and heard of them, but the first time meeting people, making the connection, talking to other vendors is pretty amazing.
Sounds like you might be back.
Yeah.
And you are?
Jeanette Cáceres,
And where are you from?
Washington, D.C. And this is Bonnie, and she says hello.
This is Bonnie, and which one's the IT person? You or Bonnie?
We both, Bonnie for sure.
Bonnie.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, they're much more intelligent than people think they are.
Yes.
Yes. So Bonnie, what was your favorite breakout session? And that was Bonnie giving us a good, meaningful pause. Oh, come on. That was horrible. But what's an IT conference without puns? You actually work for Pink Elephant.
I sure do.
What's your favorite part of Pink Elephant?
The trunk.
I think everybody knows who you are because you're a bit of a celebrity here at the conference. You are the last year's Practitioner of the Year. We're proud to have us with you right now. Please introduce yourself for those who don't know you.
Hi, well, I'm Jonathan Hinkle.
All right.
That's it.
What is the most outstanding thing that you've overall learned, if you were to put it in a nutshell, at Pink Elephant?
That everything's connected, systems all connect together, and that we can no longer live in a silo. We have to look at the broader sense of technology and process and understand how it all combines.
You like the ITSM, but how about ITS and M?
ITS and M?
Oh, yeah.
I don't. What's that?
You are?
Bill Solomon.
Sandra?
And Sandra, and what company are you here representing?
Federal government.
And how many Pink conferences have you attended so far?
I think this is my third one.
This is your first one? And how is it going so far?
Very good. Very good.
Breakout sessions valuable, invaluable?
Very valuable.
Yes.
Right.
Everybody's telling us that they're really getting good ways how to actually use the knowledge that's being. They say knowledge translated into results. That's one of the slogans.
Yes.
And I was on the website, and I can tell you it's certainly not knowledge translated into English. How'd you like Jeremy this morning? Just a quick question.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was great.
But you know what? He wasn't as great as you were.
Wow. Hey.
I can see how you wound up in management. What company do you work for? What's your...
Aegon, Transamerica.
Oh, okay. There's a number of people from Transamerica here. I met somebody. All of you are Transamericans. I would say, how's it feel to be trans in America? But I don't think that's necessarily the right question for us to be asking at this table. Well, you're all with the same company, so here's a tricky question. Which is more important for your company, change management or a change of management?
No one wants.
Okay, that's the answer we get from everybody. Give me an honest answer. Truthfully, how many of you will be coming back to Pink in the future?
I would like to, yeah.
You're pretty sure? So it's been that valuable of an experience for you? Great. Well, that's excellent. Well, thanks. Get back to your camaraderie and exchanging notes and networking with the people you work with all the time. I'm Chris Bliss.
I'm Forrest. Chris,
you're
nice to meet
MC.
you.
You're a host today, and you are?
Forrest Kitzrow.
And you represent?
Toyota.
And where are you from?
Plano, Texas.
Plano, Texas.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
How many Pink Elephant conferences have you attended?
This is my third.
This is your third, and you keep coming back. Why do you keep coming back?
Knowledge. It's just every time you come here, you learn something new. Keep on the edge. You have to be. I'm an ITEL expert, and you got to be on top of everything so you can produce it with your company.
So which do you think is more important to the future, AI or reruns of Magnum PI?
Reruns of Magnum PI, definitely. I definitely think there's, or Knight Rider.
Or Knight Rider.
Or Dexter, too. Dexter is good, too.
Dexter.
Yeah, Dexter.
Where
Yeah, great. You know where we're,
Yeah,
good. Yeah, okay.
It's good that Pink Elephant is getting the serial killer vote.
Well-
Hey, I'm Chris. I'm the host for this Pink18 conference. I don't know if you saw the morning session.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. And we're trying to walk around, talk to the attendees, and get their impressions of the conference and find out some things about them.
Yeah.
So first, may we have your name?
Chi. Yeah, that's my first name, Chi. Last name Song, S-O-N-G.
Okay, Chi-Song.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
New York.
And have you ever been to a Pink Elephant conference before?
I have not. This is my first one.
Oh, great. We're finding a lot of people from the East Coast first time. So, and your impressions so far?
Great conference. Really like the people here. Really easy to meet people. Everyone's great. Love IT people.
Okay, one last question for you. I'm going to pick well. Okay, this is the big question that everybody seems to really be debating at this conference. Lean Six Sigma or lean corned beef? Lean Six Sigma or lean corned beef? When was the last time you spent an entire day without saying an acronym?
Probably never.
Come on, I need an answer ASAP.
Never.
When was the last time you spent an entire day without an acronym?
Never, probably. I might have been 2.
When was the last time you went through an entire day without an acronym?
A world without acronyms? OMG.
Mic drop.